Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to talk about class 12 biology chapter 2nd sexual reproduction in flowering plant part 4. This is the part 4th of this chapter, like as sexual reproduction in flowering plant. We discuss in this video some materials like as pollen pistil interaction, artificial hybridization, emasculation, bagging, double fertilization, syngamy, primary endosperm nucleus, pain, triple fusion, endosperm, embryo, etc. So let us start now. We know about the sexual reproduction. We need male and female gametes. We also learned in previous video about the pollination and type of pollination. When pollen grain reach on stigma, after some time, like as 30 minutes or 1 hour, they germinate and make a tube. This tube is the pollen tube. You can see here that this is a pollen grain. Pollen grain have vegetative cell and generative cell. Generative cell makes gametes. Each pollen tube have 2 male gametes. These are formed by genetic cell and 1 vegetative cell. So 2 male gametes. You can see here that this is the 2 male gametes and a vegetative nuclei. They involve in fertilization process because this is the male gametes. Each pollen tube make 2 male gametes, and we also need female gametes. This is the embryonic sac. We know about embryonic sac. This is the calaza end, and this is the antipodal. We discussed in previous video about the embryonic sac. This is the embryonic sac. This is the antipodal, above part of the antipodal, and this is the polar nuclei. 2n means polar nuclei 2n. 1 nuclei and second nuclei. These are 2 nuclei, so this is the 2n. The polar nuclei involved in fertilization also, and they prepare the endosperm. And again, this is the egg cell. We know about egg cell. Egg cell is the female gametes of the flowering plant. So egg cell only single cell. So this is the N. They also involve in fertilization. We discuss again in this video. And this is the synergites. This is the synergites, and this is the polar end. This is the micropolar end, and these are apparatus, Fili-1 apparatus. So this is the embryonic sac, and this is the pollen grain, and this is the pollen tube. We discussed deeply about the fertilizations. You can see here This diagram, you can see this diagram. When reach the pollen grain are on stigma, after some time, like as 30 minutes or 1 hour, they germinate like gram. We add the gram in water. After some times, like as 24 hours, they germinate and make root. Just like pollen grain also germinate in stigma, and they make a root like structure. This is the tube, and this tube is the pollen tube. You can see many pollen grain suggested in this. These are the pollen grain, and pollen grain increase in size, and also and inside of pollen grain also occur male gametes. There are 2 male gametes and one vegetative nuclei. There are 2 male gametes and 1 vegetative nuclei inside of the pollen tube. This male gamete is fused with female gametes, and this is the pollen tube. Pollen tube increase in size, and they goes on pollen sac, and also make 1, 2 male gametes. 2 male gamete, and 1 polar nucleus, and one is the vegetative nuclei. Okay, 1 is vegetative nuclei. And again also pollen, male gametes and vegetative nuclei also, when pollen tube increase in size, they enter in ovule and after the pollen sac, and release the male gametes, You can see here that this is the pollen tube. And 1 male gamete and 2nd male gamete. They enter in. This is the egg. Then this is the male gamete, and this is the polar nuclei. We know about polar nuclei. Polar nuclei is the 2n, and egg is the n. Okay, polar nuclei is 2n, and this egg cell is the n. When enter the male gametes in pollen sac, embryonic sac, they release the male gametes. 1 male gametes, enter inside, and one male gamete fused with polar nuclei, and this gamete fused with egg cell. This have polar nuclei 2n or plus male gamete n. So this is the 3n. And one male and one egg cell and plus one male gamete. These are the 2n. So endosperm is triploid, and this is the diploid. And this is the diploid. You can see here, and diploid, the diploid and triploid. This is the triploid. 3n is the triploid. We know when this is the triploid, and once again one time fertilization, one time fertilization, and second time fertilization. So first time and second time means 2 time fertilization in this process. So these are double fertilization. Because one male gametes fuse with polar nuclei and they makes 3n, and one male gametes fuse with egg cell and they produce 2n. So there are 2 fertilization. So this is the double fertilization. And after fertilization 3n makes endosperm. 3n makes endosperm means polar nuclei fused with male gametes and they produce the endosperm, and egg cell fused with male gametes, second male gametes, so they make the embryo, zygote and embryo. So 2n makes zygote and embryo, and 3n makes endosperm. Okay, so we see here that polar nuclei plus 2 polar nuclei plus 1 male gamete make endosperm. 2 polar nuclei, 2n plus 1 male gamete, n is equal to 3n. Endosperm is the 3n, and 1 egg cell plus 1 male gamete, they make embryo after zygote. So these are n plus n is equal to 2n. This is the diploid and this is the triploid. Triploid nuclei make endosperm. You can see this is the endosperm. This is the endosperm. Again endosperm develop in again 3n, यानी कि polar nuclei plus male gametes developed in endosperm, and endosperm provide the nutrients of embryo. You can see egg cell and male gametes fuse and they make embryo. So embryo provide seed or convert into again seed or makes seed, and endosperm provide the nutrients. Okay, this is the double fertilization, and when egg cell and male gametes fuse, these are the syngamy. When male gametes and female gametes fuse, these are the syngamy. These are the when egg gametes, when egg cell and female gametes eat, they are syngamy. Okay, so we discuss in this video syngamy. What is the primary endosperm? You can see here this diagram is the after fertilization. You can see here degerminated synergites degenerate. This portion degenerates, mean destroy, degenerate, and this is the zygote. Zygote, you know about 1 and 1 embryo after zygote, and they convert after the embryo. So these are the zygote 2n. This is the zygote 2n, and you also know about primary endosperm cell, PES. This is the PES. This is the PES. We study in this video about primary endosperm cell. When polar nuclei and one main nuclei makes 3n, these are the endosperm. So this is the primary endosperm cell. This is the pen, and again nuclei, primary endosperm nuclei 3n. This is the 3n nuclei, endosperm nuclei 3n. This is the 3n primary endosperm nuclei 3n. This is the PES. PES means primary endosperm cell. They all makes PES, primary endosperm cell, and this nuclei is the primary endosperm nuclei 3n. This is the 3n, है ना? This is the 3n, and this is the degenerating antipodal cell. We know about the antipodal cell. Antipodal cell. Okay, so primary endosperm nuclei 3n is the pen, and primary endosperm cell is the PES. PES provide the nutrient of the embryo, and again they are also divided into category. We know about the endosperm. Some plant and seed consume the endosperm, but some not consume completely. Some plant seed like as pea and groundnut, completed consume the endosperm. Completed consume endosperm. These are the pea, groundnut. Okay, but some cannot consume completely endosperm. These are the these are the castor and coconut. Castor and coconut. This nuclei divide more amount. This nucleus divide in more or thousand amount. These are the pen undergoes nuclear division. Pen undergoes nuclear division means primary endosperm nucleus. Pen undergoes nuclear division. These are the free nuclear endosperm. These are the free nuclear endosperm as coconut. You can see coconut. If you break down the coconut, you can see inside of coconut some part of white in color, and inside of white color found water like materials, and you can see water also. So water is the free nuclear endosperm. Water is the free nuclear endosperm. These are the 1000 nuclei, just like 1000 nuclei. So this is the free nuclear endosperm, FNE. These are occur in coconut water. And again you see the white materials, white part of coconut, white part of coconuts. These are the cellular endosperm. These are the cellular endosperm. Okay, white part of coconut is the cellular endosperm, and water is the 1000 nuclei. These are the FNE, means free nuclear endosperm. So we discuss in this video about free endosperm, and we discuss in this video also about pollen pistil attraction. What is the pollen pistil attraction? We know that during the pollination, stigma accept only same species pollen grain. Stigma accept only same species pollen grain, not other species pollen grain. This is the pollen pistil interaction. This is the pollen pistil interaction. What is the artificial hybridization? Artificial hybridization is a hybridization. In this process, we yield the variety of plants for improvement of crop and plant. In this process, we cross with other pollen grain and with other stigma, and we provide different characters of plant. So these are the artificial hybridization. You study in previous video about hybridization. And again, emasculation. Emasculation is a process. Emasculation is a process. This is a flower, and this have anther, and this is the stigma. In this process of emasculation, all anther removed in this flower. So remove this flower. We remove this flower of anther, and we covered with paper or sheet, covered, envelope. envelope are covered by a paper or sheet, and other pollen grain, which is the variety pollen grain, we take in it, and they fertilization and germinate the and after fertilization we found seed, and seed grow in again generation, or we found variety of plant. So this process we covered by envelope is the bagging, and this process is the emasculation. When remove the anther of pollen grain is the emasculation, and we cover this flower who removed the anther of this flower is the bagging, okay. Because other pollen grain we envelope are covered this flower, because other pollen grain cannot accepted by the stigma, and this pollen is the variety pollens, है ना. So this seed is the variety seeds, and they makes again generation in variety plants. So we found variety of plant by this process, and this is the emasculation. Means we yield more amount and variety of plant, we do a process. This is the emasculations for improvement of crops. This is the emasculation. And bagging, we covered the removal anther flower is the bagging. So we discuss in this video pollen pistil attraction, artificial hybridization, emasculation, bagging, double fertilization, syngamy, primary endosperm nucleus, pen, triple fertilization, endosperm, embryo, complete conjunct and not complete conjunct. Okay, we see again about artificial hybridization. This have a plant, this is a plant, this is a plant, this is a large plant or tall plant, and this is the small plant or drop plant. Okay, this pollen grain transfer to this stigma, and we found the seed, and seed germinate in other generation. These are the hybridization, this process of the hybridization.